Mama wakwaba wafreme adwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell also for more news. Ebushako Honorable Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan Eka NPP racer eba bekoso 4th November metre abato obabeto na we you can deni for 2024 abato eba bekoso na Honorable ede ensembia betudwa lesem okay na ne say NPP party no eye party bia omo use wa ebewi achi no na omo adampe o metre eba ne sika sema obetue bi eba ne dirty works a ewo party ni ma obeye bi but eba ne position bia no mo achinchimo nsa ede akwakoma ni pafoforo but this time around it enyo ne nani so a ene na NPP for assemble to papa na ensema Honorable ekan eye Felix Appiah political zone a wakasa de ma NPP amayoku no abema na reply na ebusuafo kasenche no yeti ensema Honorable ede ebetudwa na yemeti ensema Felix Appiah so aka ede achre no.
Always want to use you and dump you. I will not allow them to dump me anymore. I won't do it. I will not sacrifice for MPP, for my children, my family, generation to be humiliated.
But we are picking signals that you are just on your way to being dumped because some of them believe that you are losing these elections hands down.
But
and that will be your political career.
Let me tell you, without me, MPP can win election.
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you. You know how many people are begging me? You know the money that they've offered me and I've refused.
For what?
Offered me to step down. And if I step down, we'll lose. So no. The sacrifices the party
before AB I try some be offer no man
Ebusuafo ensemwe na Honorable Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan ede ababetudwa na ebusuafo okanwe na Felix Appiah ekire se yeka enipa omo use no mo adampe no ewo NPP party ni mo a ka Honorable Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan de onka hokra enti ensese ubie wano kra ekasa ensem no na yebeka ya NPP omo ye demonstration abranti bi etu ekan onka hokra enti ensese ubie wano kra ekasa ensem no na yebeka ya NPP omo ye demonstration abranti bi etu ekan nene and abranti no ontiase se nipa na ka yebeka se NPP for use no adampe no na ye Honorable Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan a NPP starting so omo eba power eye omanpeni dada akofo na breso contract ala omo de mawo ene eye meters e wo Ghana hanumi na ono were na supply afenso light poles eye ono were na supply enti no se ye ka enipa omo use no adampe no party ni mo a Honorable odo onka ho kwa enti enye se afe na eye abato anase position bi aba party ni mu na ene enda sen ochina sen na adentina dada wo party ni mu as party member anase wo ye member of parliament one for ensem wo ina ma metudwa na ye beka ya Honorable Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan na wo ye nipa bi a wo bo eye vice president Dr. Bawumia Pauso papa na afia ba ne sen se wo ba be pre-position mpa ye nka se men pre-position na se ye nka se men ye campaign ensem bi a wo keka no ebukuru eboman ebo party why is also the party no eco position it in some anase niam wo ya e the party no eco position nko na wo ye na enya de a ebebo anso it no Honorable eni be bia wo ye no yesterday because e one kasa e na wo ha wo da chi na ebusu afienti nsa Felix Appiah so anase reply Felix Appiah e de ma Honorable Kennedy.
Are we aware sir he is an MP for
Yes.
NPP and it is because of the flag NPP that is why he is an MP because he has never stood independent and won on his own for us to know say or to me so be to me command the independent votes into everything was under the Osun Kokrokona umbrella for 23 to 24 years near Otina Parliament okay after used to be say about no contracts here party funya yeah papa no o meka nkyere say yeah one year e wo bodi 1 year wo dambai 1 year wo Sekia Sarenso 1 year wo Bekwai 1 year wo Yeji 1 year wo Pandai 1 year wo Sanelugu 1 year wo Narelugu 1 year wo Volta Behoho Ketu South Mempe all those places no they worked in order excuse me to say for somebody to like get power chairman for no mumu wan net board we board be so service Ghana but chairman see and the board domino. Now okra MP kura na ya to abama ana meboa. How many of these chairmen are sitting on boards in Ghana? So should they also say they have been used and dumped? At least wo anya hwe kura no and there abetodwa enyentro document verifies, and I say document makes it known. Say number one, not only who are watching multiple contracts here, but the fact say we say from 2021. This is his argument too. Or say 2021 no, yeah man any major contracts. Now a for contract your magia woman to me anye and on agia or no EDDD. No besides any old contracts no immediately be in the welusu. Ya pacho ya papa no betumi ayeboda be ka kire say electric poles our supply and me pacho sika hin onya awum e free government ho. Electric poles and yere ebeto aso air supply any sebe transformer we say near kano meters on ne yere any ono na busua any ono company e dey any mo madi din ho free Ghana ho no eno ye dump ana obi olusu nani nanse ya ne yekosie no. That should be more like I was used and dumped. Not what etiegu enu a wo no mo and then they would have so no. And then Ghana gas na so mo ye meeting na certain allowance on Gideon na obetuma be catch say on just certain allowance. Hey. So we can you when him say Ghana ho kire no in tanka certain allowance obetuma dey ache yen ana meboa. Say they didn't come up.
Obeka say bete de o kana say but Obeka say ono so ya adoye bebre.
Brother, I always keep telling you say what done with way. Say nyame ehira this ka wo nsem a unyi bi masem say be ehia for.
Oh meboa ni pay.
So to whom much is given much is expected. That's it.
Na bi o ekwesi ye ni bi kra kakra bi e wo ye hu yi kra no ye dane ye hu etime de.
But this man Kennedy Japan. You are now getting my drift. Nobody hates him. Nobody hates that man. He hates his own self. Kennedy on pound no one who accept. That is the problem with him. Because of someone and most of the things here, you know, you don't make and break now. Don't. For instance, and now you can say, okay, Ghana shippers, shippers board. Utie, don't, Pacho, because I want you to be asking me correct stuff.
Yeah, me too, pa. Me say, who make you submission when I musa questions, yeah.
Shippers board. Tema 4 port to 4 near the idea. Fine, and a table so. Fine, year, our MPP, and it is our board, so. Me Pacho, the year no, on what Tenacia, on gen allowance, na.
Obeje.
MPP for your campaign, who will send the year now, Abo MPP do kukra
Nah,
don't, please, let's do it fast. Now you are in Ghana, don't act like you are not there. Huh?
Me wa me tio pa.
2016, who will send the year age in a platform so I can say to my MPP na no nya ban pa. Who video do?
Me ni bisa.
2020 who say the year no be aba fro simpie say ono aka sakura ne MP ship kura no who the year no bi was say ite besa obo ye na se
There be me